Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are replacing the headlight bulb on this Volkswagen Golf. We start off by popping the hood. Right here we have this cover. Undo it by turning it counterclockwise. And drop it. But we got it. And the bulb holder, grab it and turn it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Here we have it. And the bulb for this is a H7 55 watt. So just grab the bulb and pull it straight out. We take the new bulb and insert it. Oh, what happened to these pins? Like so. If you look close, it's a top on this side, so you can mount it in the right direction. And light push and turn it clockwise till it snaps in place. And on this cover it also say top. And turn it clockwise to lock it into place. And make sure that it's working. And it does. Well guys, thanks for watching. And remember, like and subscribe guys. You'll see me in the next one. See ya!